Yun na. Hi everyone, this is Kiko.
Sino kasi ano? Ulit.
Hi everyone, this is Kiko.
And this is Belle.
So, we are with a ukulele and we will play a song called Gagawin mo. Ulit. Hi everyone, this is Kiko.
And this is Belle.
So, we are playing a song titled
Balay ni Mayang.
It's a Bisaya song. So, yeah. Let's go!
Merong gano'n kasi. Hindi ko siya mataas. Nimo, gawin mo mataas yun. Dahil mo siya mataas.
Hindi mo, gamay. Ano mo taas doon?